Okay, second grade, today we're going to take a look here at work text page 77 and 78. So this is your math assignment for today. We're going to take a look kind of at the first few ones here together, and then you'll be working on the rest on your own. Don't forget to take a picture and send it to me when you are finished. Alright, so let's look up here at the top part. The directions say to use a strategy to solve. So when we have number 1, 18 plus 0, we would use the add 0 strategy. And we know that anytime we add 0, the answer is always, it's always that same number. So 18 plus 0 would be 18. Good job. Next, we have 17 plus 2, We're going to put 17 in our heads, and we're going to be counting on 2 more. If you have your number lines, you can use your number line also. So Charlie, what would 17 plus 2 be? Good, Charlie, 17 plus 2 would be 19. All right, moving on to number 3 here. 45 plus 3. So we're always going to start with the bigger number, and count on our smaller number. So 45 plus 3 more. Tanner, what did you get for that one? Right, good job. So 48. Okay, so I think you can go ahead and do the rest of those on your own. Let's just take a look here at one more. When we look here at number 7, this is kind of what we talked about in yesterday's lesson when we were adding 2-digit numbers together. We can think of 26 as 2 10s and 6 1s plus 1 more 10. So 2 10s plus 1 10 would be 3 10s. 6 1s and 0 more 1s would be 6. So think about that when we look at the numbers 30 plus 15 and 12 plus 40. Think of them as how many 10s plus how many 1s. Add your 10s together, and then add your 1s together. Okay, we're going to take a look here at number 10. Directions say to picture each addend. Write the sum. So 2 things we need to do. We need to picture and write the sum. Don't forget the addends are the 2 numbers being added together, and the sum is the answer you get when you add. So how can we picture the number 45? If you think about it, that's how we show our 10s. So in the number 45, Caleb, how many 10s are there? Good, there are 4 10s. So we have 10, 20, 30, and 40. Olivia, how many 1s would there be in 45? Good, we would have 5 more 1s. So that's how we would show 45. 4 10s and 5 1s. Then we want to add 20. And Juliana, how many 10s are in the number 20? Good job. 2 10s. So now when we add, we're going to start by counting all of our 10s. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10s plus how many 1s? Let's count our 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and no more 1s. So 45 plus 20 would be, you got it, 65. Go ahead and do the same there for number 11. Don't forget to picture each addend and then write your sum. Like I said, pause this if you need to, if you want to finish working to catch up, or you can go back once the video is over. Let's look here at number 12. Directions say to solve. Write a sentence to answer the question. Jan picked up toys for 25 minutes. Let's underline that, 25 minutes. She vacuumed for 13 minutes. I'm going to underline 13 minutes. How many minutes did Jan spend cleaning. So we're looking for how many minutes, right, did she spend cleaning? Over here, let's think about how we would show our work. So Jacob, what do you think? How would we find how many minutes? Would we add or would we subtract? Good, right? We would add 25 plus 13 minutes. And we want to find out how many minutes is that. So again, I'm not going to give you that answer there, but go ahead and see what you get when you take 25 plus 13. Don't forget, write a sentence to answer the question. So to get you started, let's look at the question. How many minutes did Jan spend cleaning? So we can say Jan spent, again, blank, put your number there, your answer, minutes cleaning. And we know we put a period at the end of our sentence. Good job. Now it says to mark the number of minutes Jan cleaned on the number line. Write the decade number to complete the sentence. So let's go ahead and fill in that answer there. 25 plus 13. We're going to take a look here at our tens. 2 tens plus 1 10 is 3 tens. And then 5 ones plus 3 ones would be a total of 38. So Jan spent 38 minutes cleaning. Where would 38 be on our number line? If this is 30, that is 40. I know 38, we're going to count, right? 1, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Let's put a dot there on 38. And now let's answer this question here. Jan cleaned for about. Again, when we see that word about, that tells us to kind of estimate, right? What is it closest to? What decade number is it closer to? Is 38 closer to 30? Or is 38 closer to 40? Right? And we can see that it is closer to 40. So anytime we see that word about, that tells us that we're going to round or we're going to estimate. Okay, so you just have a few more problems to finish here on this page. Let's take a look at page 78. So this one I'm going to have you complete this one on your own, very similar to the front page that we did. First says, directions say to use a strategy to solve. Next, we're going to picture each addend and then write the sum. So don't forget to picture it and write it. And then number 9 says, after school, Gigi played outside for 35 minutes. Then she played inside for 20 more minutes. How long did Gigi play? So we want to add the minutes, find your answer, and then think about, is the total number of minutes closer to 30 minutes or 1 hour? Right? And we can use our clock here to help us add the time. And then the bottom here says time to review. If we have our number here in the middle, I want you to tell me what's 1 less and 1 more. For number 11, here's our numbers in the middle. Tell me what number is 10 less and 10 more. Okay, good luck, second grade. Keep working hard. Miss you guys.